Good afternoon, everyone. Today, I'm going to present about the Lab 3 counter and timer. This is our group members, Ching Wei Yun, me, Yvonne E. My matrix number is DE190014, and Farah Naziha. My name is Yvonne E. Now, I will show you how to build the program for the 6.1.1. First, you need to put the input. The name is as X0. Then we select the output. We type R, reset. Then we name it as C0. Then we open a new network. We put 1, normally open contact also. Then we name it as X1. Now we put the output time, which is counter. Type CNT and select this. We set the S1 into C, S2 into K. Then this is 0. This is 5, which means it will count after 5. The maximum is count until 5. 5 times. Another new network. This is a normally open contact also. The name is as C0. And the output, we name it as Y0. So this is the 6.1.1 program that we built for the counter simulation.
Hi, my name is Farah Jahamintiasa, CEY0071. So I will present for show you how simulation for 6.1.1. So after we build this program, control program, so we need to compile first. Okay, and then we need to go to PLC transfer. We need to download. Okay, we need to click one by one and then we transfer. Okay, after that we need to close. We need to active the online mode and then we click run. Okay, after we need check the run programs. So SO which is connect to R which is R reset button, and counter we set to 5 times. So after 5 times YO will activate. So let me see, we activate X1, so counter count 1, and then if we deactivate and we activate again, so counter count 2 until 5. So okay, until 5, counter count 5 and YO will activate. So how we need to reset the program? So we need to activate SO, so the program will reset and CO will turn to 0 again. So that's all for me. Thank you.
Now I will show how to build the program 6.1.2. First, we select the normally open contact. Name it as X0. Then an output R, which is a reset button. Then we name it as T0. We'll open a new live network. We put the input also, normally open contact. Then we name it as X1. Then the output TMR timer. Then select this. We set it as T. S2 is K. The component value first is 0 until we need, actually we need 10 seconds, but we need to type 100. It means it will count until, if the timer will set until 10 seconds. Then a new line of network with the input. Normally open input, normally open contact. We name it as T0, and with output and X Y. So this is the program that we built for 6.1.2. That's all from me. Thank you.
Good day everyone, my name is Ching Wei Lun, and now I will explain about the question of 6.1.2. This question is about the timer in this PLC programming. So here is the timer block. Let's see inside the setting of this timer block. So before we set up this timer, all this is empty, and we at the API name here we type TMR as the timer, and for the S1 we choose T, S2 we choose K, and the component VALT here we type 100. This is because our desired time is 10 seconds. So in this program we have to time with 10, which is 10 times 10 equals to 100 for 10 seconds. So then we click OK. Okay, so this one is our timer block. The S1 is connected with T0, which is the reset button for this timer, and the S2 is the time desired second that we need to count. So let's start our simulation by clicking the online mode, compile our program, and then run our program. Okay, so it show run here. So now we activate this contact X1. Okay, from here we can see that it start counting. So let's see what will happen when it count until 100. Okay, so now it count until 100, and the Y1 here is activated. And then next we deactivate it again, and then we activate it again, and when it's counting we activate this contact. So we can see that it clear into 0. This is because this contact here, this output here is the reset button for this timer. So when we are counting, the timer will back to 0, which has been reset. So we turn off this contact, so it will come back to the counter. So when it is counting, now we deactivate this contact. We can see that it also will back into 0. This is because this contact is the enable for this timer. So if this is not turned on, there will be no current will pass to this timer, and this timer also will not counting until we turn on this, activate this contact. It will start counting back, and until 100. When it count until 100, we can see that it turn on this contact. Okay, so that's all from me. Thank you.